You got to understand what the subordinate or the other teammate needs from you, because these are the people who are actually determining if they want to be led by you, if they trust you, if they see that you care about them more or enough or as much as you care about the mission of the task. These are the people who are actually going to take hold of your vision. And if I can only depend on me and what I know and how I know to do things, I'm in big trouble, right? And so we want to know how to delegate. We want to know how to see things from the other person's point of view. Empathy. I'm going to walk in your shoes. The biggest thing for me, beyond a shadow of a doubt, you could be the most competent and charismatic. You could be able to delegate. But if I cannot trust you, if you do not have integrity, I have no use for you.